Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Want to search for patterns in your string data? The like operator and wildcards in SQL let you match text patterns with ease. Let's dive in. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Like is an operator in SQL used to search for patterns in string data. Wildcards make this even more powerful by allowing flexible matching. The two main wildcards are %, and underscore. The %, wildcard matches 0 or more characters. For example, like "Jo% finds names starting with Joe, like Joanna or John. The underscore wildcard matches exactly one character. For example, like "_an" matches Jan, because Jan is the only name in the table that has the pattern an at the end and has one character before it. You can combine wildcards for more complex searches. Here, like %_123% matches emails containing 123 with at least one character before it. Both j123@gmail.com and jan_123@yahoo.com are matches. To summarize, wildcards with like are your go-to tool for flexible and efficient string searches. The % wildcard matches 0 or more characters, and the underscore wildcard matches exactly one character. Try them out to simplify your queries. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.